How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making a hand grip workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I'll be using 200 pounds of resistance. We'll do 7 repetitions. We'll do 5 sets, 35 total repetitions. That being said, let's kill it. So 1, 2, easy. 7 reps just like that. Are you kidding me? I'm feeling strong. Look at that. Striations are coming in. I have been cutting weight. Low weigh-in today, 180. New low weigh-in, 185.4. My last low weigh-in was 186.4. So it comes about 2 or 3 days later. I was 186.4, I think, on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, about 3 days. And I was wondering when I was gonna have a new low weigh-in, because again, it was going 2-3 days. I'm like, whoa, haven't had a low weigh-in, and then just out of nowhere, boom, 185.4, lost a whole pound compared to my last low weigh-in. So that's really, really good. I'm super happy about that. And that's just the magic of weight loss, tracking calories, getting results, super easy. It takes patience, it takes discipline, and it takes a little bit of math skills just to track the calories. But other than that, it's very, very easy to lose weight. I'm not gonna sit here and say that it's the hardest thing in the world, because it isn't. It's very easy. Like, if I took any one of you watching this video as my client, I would give you the fastest and easiest way to lose weight. The good thing for you guys is I do everything on this channel for free. All my tips are for free. But yeah, the best thing the number one thing to do in my opinion for losing weight, aside from tracking your calories, you gotta track your calories. The number one thing I would say is indulge in your cravings every single day. What I mean by that is whatever you're craving, chips, pop, pizza, Chinese food, whatever you are craving, eat it daily. The thing is, when you're bulking, you don't crave that much. Like, you're not gonna crave all these bad foods as much, because you're not constantly in a caloric deficit. So when I bulk, I really don't crave that many foods. Yeah, we'll go out and we'll eat once in a while, and I'll have one of my tasty or favorite foods, but I don't think about it all the time. I'm not like, ooh, I can't wait to have some chips. That's really not the case when I'm bulking. And that's the same for a lot of people. When they're at maintenance or they're bulking, they don't really have those cravings. But when you're cutting weight, you're in a caloric deficit, you're going to get those cravings, maybe even daily. A lot of people get them daily. So I get them daily. I'm not gonna lie, I get them daily too. I get hungry. I don't get hungry anymore, but I used to get super hungry, and I would just crave like hamburgers, fries, chips, pop. I would just crave that. And then after a while, I noticed that all that really matters is your calories. You could literally eat anything. It does not matter what you eat. You could eat McDonald's 3 times a day, and if you hit your calories every single day, you will lose weight. Simple as that. Does not matter what you eat. It seriously does not. Of course, do you really want to eat like that? Hell no, I could not eat like that. I don't like McDonald's that much. But what I do is I indulge. I would say half my calories are clean or healthy. The other half are dirty or not healthy. For example, my healthy foods today were protein cereal, chickpeas, bologna sandwich. I know the bologna is not healthy, but the whole grain bread and the cheese is. So that's my healthy portion. That's around 1,100 calories. I then have this pastry for 300. That's 1,400 calories. I'm gonna have 500 calories worth of chips, so 2 servings. That puts me at 1,900. And I'm gonna have 1 pizza pop, puts me at 250. So that puts me at 2,150. I'm then gonna have a couple apples, puts me around 2,300. So that's basically all my calories for the day. And yeah, very simple, very easy. Okay, easy peasy. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thanks.